Hi, this is Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation. And today's topic is how to react universal integrator solution, that is pH 4 to 11. And here we take the solution dilute H2SO4 and sodium hydroxide. So start the experiment. For this experiment we need some test tube. Here we have 6 test tubes. First, in 2 test tubes we added dilute H2SO4 in separate concentration. We add same quantity both the test tube, and second test tube I added same amount of water. After that, in third test tube I added normal distilled water, and fourth and fifth test tube I added sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Here I use the separate concentration. And at the last test tube I added that NH4OH, that is that ammonium hydroxide. Now I added that universal indicator solution true drop in each test tube and see the observation. Now observe the color. In the first two, the acidic, that's why its color is red. In the third one, this is the neutral, that's why the color is green. NaOH solution is base, that's why its color is blue. And ammonium hydroxide concentration is more, that's why its color is deep violet. That means this universal indicator indicates the pH value of the solution. Hope so you enjoy a lot. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel